A. The annual report is prepared by the finance department every year. B. The annual report prepares by the finance department every year. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is it is prepared. This sentence uses the present simple passive voice, indicating a routine or habitual action. Prepares is active voice and does not fit because the subject is not performing the action. A. The marketing strategy will be developed by the team next quarter. B. The marketing strategy will develop by the team next quarter. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is, will be developed. This uses the future simple passive voice, indicating an action that will be done to the subject in the future. Will develop is active voice and incorrectly suggests the subject will perform the action. A. The office is closed by 9 p.m. during weekdays. B. The office closes by 9 p.m. during weekdays. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is it is closed. This sentence uses the present simple passive voice to indicate a habitual action affecting the subject. Closes is active voice and does not correctly reflect the passive action performed on the subject. A. The software update was installed successfully yesterday evening. B. The software update installed successfully yesterday evening. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is was installed. This sentence uses the past simple passive voice, focusing on the action performed on the subject in the past. Installed without was is active voice, not correctly representing the passive structure needed. A. The company's new policy will be introduced to employees next month. B. The company's new policy will introduce to employees next month. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is, will be introduced. This sentence uses the future simple passive voice, indicating that the action will happen to the subject in the future. Will introduce is active voice and does not match the passive voice requirement. A. Due to unforeseen circumstances, the event has been rescheduled to next month. B. Due to unforeseen circumstances, the event has rescheduled to next month. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is, has been rescheduled. This sentence uses the present perfect passive voice to indicate an action completed at an unspecified time in the past. Has rescheduled is active voice, which doesn't fit the passive construction needed. A. All job applicants are put through a rigorous selection process. B. All job applicants put through a rigorous selection process. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is are put. This sentence uses the present simple passive voice to describe a general practice or routine action. Put is active voice and does not provide the passive structure that indicates the action is received by the subject. A. The new office layout was planned by an experienced interior designer. B. The new office layout planned by an experienced interior designer. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is it was planned. This uses the past simple passive voice, focusing on an action performed on the subject in the past. Planned without was is the active form and doesn't convey the passive action intended. A. The team's achievements are highlighted in the monthly newsletter. B. The team's achievements highlight in the monthly newsletter. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is, are highlighted. This sentence uses the present simple passive voice, indicating a regular action affecting the subject. highlight is active voice, incorrect because the action is not performed by the subject. A. The project timeline has been extended to accommodate the new requirements. B. The project timeline has extended to accommodate the new requirements. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is, has been extended. This sentence uses the present perfect passive voice, indicating an action that has been completed at an unspecified time before now. Has extended is active voice and does not suit the passive construction required. A. The safety procedures are explained to all new employees during orientation. B. The safety procedures explained to all new employees during orientation. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is are explained. This uses the present simple passive voice to indicate that the action is routinely performed on the subject. Explain is active voice, which does not fit the passive voice structure, indicating the action is received by the subject. A. The data was verified by the research team for accuracy. B. The data verified by the research team for accuracy. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is, was verified. This sentence uses the past simple passive voice, focusing on the action performed on the subject in the past. Verified without was is active voice and misses the passive construction required.
Don't miss out on our videos. Subscribe and hit the bell icon right now.
Taking your English
To the next level.
video by video.